Okay, now we are jumping onto the hiring program stuff. So hiring your staff is part of your responsibilities. And the staff model for your program will be provided in each program contract. So if your contract says hiring ESL teacher, and you will see the number of ESL teacher that you have to hire, or number of Canadian student assistants. We call them CA. So if the contract says you have to hire CAs, and you will see the number of CAs that you have to hire. And we have the contract template that you can share with the staff that you are hiring. And those contracts will be provided by GC. So you don't have to make the contract, but you have to make a decision who you want to hire. So if you have any questions about hiring your own staff, just reach out to your GC, group coordinator. And yes, and when you hire the ESL teachers, there are some requirements that we have to be mindful, and those specific requirements will be shared by GC as well. And if the program size is big, and when office decided this program, we need more than one program coordinator, sometimes we have a program coordinator assistant. And the program coordinator assistant may be hired by the office or may be hired by you. So again, it should be written in your contract. So please read your contract carefully and ask GC about the requirements.
I will.
Yes. Do you have any questions about hiring?
So we can hire the ESL teachers. Also, we can hire program assistant.
Mm-hmm.
Can they be the same person, same people?
Yes, that's a good question. So sometimes we use ESL teacher who works only the half-day ESL, or sometimes we use full-day ESL teacher who's gonna assist you during the afternoon activity. But both of them teach classes. So we call full-day ESL teacher, half-day ESL teacher. And full-day ESL teacher can be your assistant during the afternoon activity. Usually when we need program coordinator assistant, that person are not going to teach and just focus on assisting you. Either overseeing the program or administrative tasks as well. That was a very good question. But if you don't have program coordinator assistant, PCA, and if you have a large number of the students that is more than you can oversee, usually you will have full-day ESL teacher who's going to assist for the excursion or activities or field trips. Do you have any other questions?
And the C8,
Mhm.
Canadian Student Assistants, they are the students, right?
Mhm.
Same age of the students of
Mhm.
the visiting students. So
That's correct. So as long as they are secondary student, so if the visiting student is either junior high school or high school student, as long as the Canadian student assistants are secondary school student, they don't have to be exactly the same age. But elementary students are a little too young to assist and to be responsible, to be cheerful and to welcome and being a host. And it depends if the visiting students are elementary students, then CA can be just like a peer to just to do the activity together. But usually CA is gonna be joining in the ESL class and assist the ESL teachers. And be, for example, when we are doing like a role play to practice, they're gonna be the partner, or they would eat lunch together and just to show Canadian school life, or just be ambassador of the Canadian society.
I see.
Yes, thank you.